Starting with one of the most high-quality garden power tools, the Inventions is a cordless leaf vacuum and blower that works with the PowerX Change battery system. The Venturo 18210 has a pure power brushless motor that ensures high performance, more running time, and longer service life. It has an integrated shredder that reduces the collected foliage to 1/10 of its original volume, saving you space and time. The device comes with a 45-liter collection bag, speed control, an additional handle, 2 wheels, a carrying strap, and a wall mount for comfortable use. The Venturo 18210 is the ideal garden equipment to own, as it makes leaf collecting a breeze. You can order yours online, priced at $165 without the battery and the charger. We have some of the best garden equipment to simplify your garden jobs coming up. The Ryobi 2400-watt crushing shredder is a powerful gardening tool that can turn all your leftover branches, palm fronds, and other garden scraps into mulch or more manageable green waste. It's ideal for long branches as it has a cut capacity of 45 millimeters. The shredder also comes with a collection bin that makes monitoring the amount of waste collected easy. By shredding garden waste, you can reduce the amount of waste that goes to landfills and create nutrient-rich mulch that can be used to fertilize your garden. This device has received mixed reviews from customers. Some customers have praised its performance, ease of use, and durability, while others have criticized its build quality and maintenance requirements. Priced at $500, would you consider buying this product? Taking care of weeds was never this easy, as this tool makes one of the hardest tasks a piece of cake. This weed puller has been designed to effortlessly pull out weeds from the ground without you needing to bend or kneel. It also ensures you don't strain your back muscles and allows for much more comfortable work. It has a full straightness of 995 millimeters and is made of anodized aluminum bracket covered with soft foam. It only weighs about 1 kilogram and comes at a modest price of $36. Moreover, it doesn't require any batteries or power source to operate, and it's just a simple, handy equipment to have for your garden. Do you want to care for pesky pests around your garden and home? Then you must get your hands on this tool. You don't need help from expensive pest control companies, as you can spray pesticides over your garden and home using this robust machine. It has a 4-gallon tank and can cover up to 3,800 square feet on a single tank. It also has a range of 20 feet, and the fogger produces a fine mist that can penetrate hard-to-reach areas and is adjustable to suit your needs. The extra padded backpack straps ensure maximum comfort, and the on-off switch on the handle makes it easy to operate. By using this fogger, you can easily control mosquitoes and other pests that can damage your plants. Moreover, it comes at a good price of $230. Working in the garden can be a pain for your knees. Well, we have the ideal solution for that coming up. Kneeling to care for your garden and plants can be tough on your knees and can become a serious problem, like arthritis. To combat this problem, the company Bergen & Ball has developed these incredibly comfortable knee pads. The kneelers and knee pads are made with a central core of shock-absorbing EVA foam sandwiched between 2 layers of memory foam, making them comfortable for extended periods. They're generously sized and have contoured edges, making them ideal for the outdoors. Moreover, it comes in various colors and is waterproof as well. They also have 52-centimeter long knee pads and a kneeler to rest both knees. Both of these come at a price of $22. Taking care of your plants during the rain is very important, so the next item is a must-buy. The Sunny Forcing Cloche is the safest way to save your plants from heavy rains or pests. It helps in accelerated plant growth, providing an efficient aeration system. The cloches are made of polypropylene and have 4 shallow reservoirs at the top that collect rainwater and disperse it gently drop by drop. The cloches are equipped with adjustable vents that allow you to control the temperature and humidity inside. This bucket version will cost you $55 for a pack of 3. And you can even add some staplers to ensure it protects your plant during strong winds. We have another incredible engineered system coming up that helps in the growth of your plants. Tree pruning is another important part of gardening, and this product promises to be the most sophisticated, powerful, and fastest electronic pruner yet. It comes from a French company named Inventions, and this shearing tool is popular even amongst professionals. The pruner is adaptable and its blade can be changed in minutes. Moreover, it can handle cutting up to 55 millimeters. It has an aluminum body and comes with a lifetime warranty as well. It has an ergonomic design that boasts a soft and comfortable grip and is priced a bit high at $290. But I guess it's the price you pay for excellence. Next up, we have a tying machine that's been designed for forestry experts. Another expertly designed product from Inventions, this tying tool is a reliable and fast automatic tying machine that's ideal for vine growers and orchard keepers. The AT1000 is 100% automatic and has a maximum power of 176 watts. It's a versatile tool that can be used for several types of vine tying. The wire advancement technology of the machine allows for the use of a static spool, with simple unwinding from the inside. The settings button allows you to achieve the desired level on a scale from 1 to 4, equivalent to knots between 2 twists. The knot strength depends on the number of twists and adapts to the tying environment, weather conditions, wood types, and pruning techniques. It's made to manage 8,000 ties on a single charge and only weighs 615 grams. Are you tired of birds causing trouble in the fields? This effortless solution will take care of this problem without posing any risk. These products use the patented optical laser beam technology to repel pest birds over great distances and can even be of great help on a golf course. The AgriLaser handheld is a portable handheld device that can repel birds up to 2,000 meters away. The AgriLaser handheld is designed for use in various settings, including vineyards, orchards, airports, industrial sites, and more. It's completely silent and comes at a price of $1,700. The Portec Laser Strike, on the other hand, is a silent, long-range laser gun bird scarer that can clear birds at close range and distances of up to 600 meters. It's highly effective against most species of birds, including crows and rooks, cormorants, wood pigeons, geese, seagulls, and starlings. The Laser Strike is also perfectly used in built-up areas where noise complaints can be an issue. It also costs less as it comes at $460. We're now down to the top 5 useful gadgets for your garden, and we've been saving the best for the very last. The Grunfo Scala 2 is a compact self-priming water booster pump designed for perfect pressure inside the home. It's an all-in-one unit that packs a pump, motor, tank, sensor, drive, and non-return valve into one compact device. This pump is very easy to install and has an integrated speed control, allowing it to maintain consistent pressure in taps. The Scala 2 is suitable for many applications, including basement, bathroom, and garden use. It has a maximum flow rate of 5 M3 per H and a maximum head of 45 meters. It also has a reasonable price of $620. Next up, we have one of the spookiest ways of keeping your garden clean from pests and mosquitoes. This company is the perfect substitute for pesticides, and that is bats. A bat can simply eat thousands of insects in a single night, and this company provides bat houses that can be installed on the outside of your house. They also provide a safe habitat for bats. The company also made its way to Shark Tank, where they pitched their product. The house can accommodate up to 50 bats, which will sleep during the day and will eat your pests at night. The pre-assembled house is easy to install and you could buy it for $140. We're now down to the top 3 gadgets on our list today, and we still have an amazing gardening robot to come. Now you no longer need to throw away your kitchen waste and leftovers, as this waste cycler can reduce up to 90% of your kitchen waste by recycling it. The Waste Cycler 2 has a 2-liter capacity and can pre-compost food waste in as little as 2 hours. The device has a visual double-insulated glass cover and ergonomic tilt design, making it easy to use. It also has a real-time LCD display with remaining working time. It's completely silent and portable and can be used to pre-compost food waste quickly and efficiently. The device emits ultra-high temperature sterilization technology that ensures the safety of the composting process. It comes at a price of $290. This robotic lawnmower uses advanced technology to mow your lawn without the need of a boundary wire. The Landroid Vision uses a high dynamic range, full HD wide-angle camera with auto-white balance to gather information about the world around it. It then uses a deeply trained neural network to set grass apart from obstacles and determine where it needs to be cut. This robot is one to look for in the future, as it comes with over-the-air software updates that keep you covered to address unexpected scenarios and strengthen Vision's deep learning. You can link it to your phone, and it also contains Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Top of our list, we have an incredible gardening solution that can turn your ordinary garden into a smart haven. The Gardena Micro Drip System is a water-conserving garden irrigation system that can be used on balconies, patios, and vegetable and flower gardens. It comes from Germany and is designed to provide easy, accurate water and time-saving irrigation. The Micro Drip System is the most sustainable and future-oriented way to water your garden. With just the right amount of water, your harvest will improve and grow healthier plants, no matter what size or type of plant. The cost of this system is roughly $45, which makes it an affordable option to have.